Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I'm down in another crawl space doing an inspection, and I always talk about drainage and how important it is. And if you do an encapsulation without putting the drainage in, you can end up with a lot of water inside your crawl space. Your vapor barrier is to stop vapor, not a waterproofing mechanism. It does not handle bulk water. So water comes in usually around the perimeter through the footer or underneath the footer from hydrostatic pressure. So I'm going to show you what's happening in this crawl space and why when you get your crawl space hopefully encapsulated, you have a drainage system, a waterproofing system put in first and then encapsulated. And that's what we do at HydroHero. So let me flip this camera over and you guys can see what's going on. Okay, here we go. See all this water coming in? Right around the footer. All the way over there. All the way around the footer. It's flooded out that entire area. Here it is again. Let's come over there. You can see the water staining. Guess what? Around the perimeter. The tape can't stop that much water. It goes all the way around. So now to properly handle the amount of water that's coming in this crawl space, matter of fact, you can see all the mold here. Just want to point all that out. See the mold at the bottom of all the floor joists. All over there. All the way throughout here. Look at the amount of water that's come through. If you would have had a drainage system in here, this wouldn't have happened. Again, look at all the mold that's in here. Now either this mold was left or it's grown, and with the amount of water in here, it wouldn't surprise me if it grew afterwards. Insulation looks like it's in good shape. But it's now cross-contaminated with the mold spores that are on the wood framing member. So if you have your crawl space encapsulated, make sure that you have a good drainage system in so you don't end up in this situation. If you have any questions, call HydroHero at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com, and we'd be happy to give you a free crawl space consultation. Thanks so much for watching.